Guys! Welcome back sa ating channel. It's been a while since I've uploaded my last video. Ang daming nangyari the past weeks. I think 3 weeks akong hindi nakapag-update. For the past 3 weeks, 2 weeks of that, bakasyon pa namin. So wala pa akong class nun. So ang main pinagkakabisihan ko that time is yung last 2 weeks ko para makapag-work ako ng more than 4 hours or more than 20 hours per week. Kasi since itong nag-start na yung SEM, back to 20 hours yung cap sa pag-work. So, speaking of that, first week ng school, chill lang. So, nag-start yung school last Monday, May 6. And today is a Monday as well. Ito na yung ika-third SEM ko. So, 2 down na, 2 more. So, for this summer term, I have a total of 6 subjects. And then yung last SEM ko, which will start in September hanggang December, yun na yung last SEM or yung 4th SEM ko with the internship or co-op. Ngayon na yung start ng major namin. So, yung first 2 SEMs or yung first year, parang yun yung mga prerequisite under Global Business Management. So, yun yung certificate, post-grad certificate course na kinukuha ko dito sa Canada. And then, yung other half of it, which is yung ika-second year, yung 3rd to 4th SEM, yun na yung may kanya-kanyang stream or major, in other words. So, maraming major initially. In my previous vlog, last year pa yun, na mention ko na I'm leaning towards project management, pero hindi na pala nila ino-offer yun. So, ang natira na mga streams or majors are HR, Marketing, IBM or International Business Management, Entrepreneurial Management. So, ang kinuha ko is Marketing. I'm torn between IBM and Marketing nung first SEM ko. Pero nakapag-decide ako by the end of it, ng first SEM na Marketing na lang. Kasi chinek ko yung list of courses or subjects. Parang mas interesting yung sa Marketing. So, yan. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Marketing stream. So, maliban sa school, hindi lang naman yun ulit ang pinagkakaabalahan ko. So, as I've mentioned a while ago, yung first 2 weeks ko dito sa Canada, pagbalik ko nga, nakafocus lang ako na ma-maximize ko yung hours na pwede pa akong mag-work. More than 20 hours per week. Kasi ngayon, ayun nga, capped at 20 hours na lang per week since may school. So sabi ko nga dun sa last vlog ko, iba-vlog ko yung mga important lakad. Pero ayan, wala naman masyado nangyari for the past 3 weeks. So for this one, take you with me for a week-long experience. So ngayon, Monday, I have a class nung umaga. Online lang and then free for the rest of the day. So after that, natulog muna ako ulit kasi maaga yung class. And then after magising, kumain and then nag-work tapos nag-take ako ng isang quiz sa isang subject. And then for tomorrow, I also have a morning class. Isa lang ulit. And then afternoon work ulit. Wednesday, I have 2 classes. So, maaga ulit yun, 8 AM. Tapos, kasunod agad, may 5 minute lang silang pagitan. Another class. So, after lunch, mga 1:30, uwi na din. Then work. So, that's Wednesday. Sa Thursday, may isa akong class face-to-face. So, morning to lunch din yun. And then, after that, may 2-hour vacant. Tapos, may another class sa hapon yun. Pero online naman yun. So, pwede na ako umuwi after the first class from school. And then, dito na yung online. But for Friday, wala naman akong pasok nun. Wala sa school. So, work lang talaga. I'm going to take you from tomorrow until the end of the week sa mga gagawin ko everyday.
Good morning. So it's a Tuesday. It's currently 9:30 AM and I have school at 10:45. Aalis ako dito ng 9:45. So tapos na akong mag-prepare. Breakfast na lang and then I'm ready to go. I'm on my way to school. So ang aking suot ay leggings, cardigan, and then pangloob.
One true false question and that's it, right? We can do a multiple choice true false test one. We can do a short answer question if you wish. So we can do a short answer or choice. We can do essay questions if we can also do case. I wouldn't suggest a case at this stage because we're still sort of going through the preliminary stuff. Maybe that's something we can explore.
Too cool, I won't be your fool. Ever since the first time you opened up my world, I just can't seem to close my eyes and sleep. I'm locked inside this daydream, don't need any saving. But I need you to wake me up. Need you to wake me up. wish I never told you why I feel so close to us.
Good morning, guys. I'm already on my way to school. It's a Wednesday and it's early 7 a.m. I have 2 classes for today. One at 8 a.m. and then the other one is at 10:45.
Walang counting. Merong pearl. Yung coding pa.
Good morning! Happy Thursday! This is my last day sa face-to-face classes. Class pala kasi isa lang. And then sa hapon may isa akong class na online. So I'm going to school right now. Lakad to bus station and then after bus, train naman. Konting lakad, then school na.
Yes, we've done Zoom virtual meetings back in my undergrad, so I'm more familiar with that too.
I'm not even seeing on my screen how many people have joined in. I'm seeing actually nothing today. Last day I could have leaked names. Today I'm not seeing anything.
Yeah, right now we're just 4 in the meeting room. Now 5. I think people are coming in now.
Okay.
Ilan ka lang sa'yo?
Most parts, like you drink every day,
Ayo, so
and then usually
baka maraming lamer. Hindi ka nag-extra.
I'm not sure.
Itlog lang. Okay. Ano ba extra? Chaso plus itlog.
And it becomes a problem.
Seaweed yung wala. At mura eh.
Obviously have their like rock
Iwala ko na lang siya.
reality. Most of it.
Ngayon, nandito tayo sa Old City Hall. So, ang Old City Hall ay yung dating City Hall.
Hi guys! So, I'm already home. It's already 10:30 p.m. And finish up ko na tong vlog. So, nakalimutan ko pala mag-outro. For today, walang class. Lumabas lang ako with Ate Ange. Isa sa housemates namin dito sa bahay. Housemates sa bahay. Nag-work lang kami sa cafe bar and then dinner. Tapos nag-stroll sa downtown west side. Ba't ko kinikwento? Nakita nyo na nga kanina. After naming maglakad-lakad, naramdaman na namin yung pagod. So, umuwi na kami and right now, dapat may gagawin akong schoolwork pero exhausted na ako. I hope you enjoy this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!